I'm down to my motor. Really, I need to get this head off. It's been stuck on there pretty tight, so I emailed the guys at Strictly Hodaka, and he said just take a rubber mallet like this one, tap it on the sides. Should be enough to loosen it up. So I'm going to tap it a bit, see if I can't get the head off. You don't want to beat down on it because you could break the cooling fins. So he said make sure you tap it side to side. Tap it straight on the side. Now I can see here now I got a gap, so I loosened it up. Now I just need to get it off. Bugger. What a bugger. Well, I'm going to get that all cleaned off. Here's just a bunch of rust in the bolt holes. You can see the rust here. Piston looks good. It's a little dirty. Now they got that off, I'm going to take this head to a friend of mine. Probably going to go ahead and take off that. Take this head to a friend of mine. We're going to measure it, hone it out, get some new rings for the piston, clean this all up, and do the next step.